How to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. After that, tap on this plus icon. Now, go to post. Simply go to select multiple and then select multiple
Hello everyone, this is Sabrina.
photos and videos. Or you can also directly access your camera and then click photos side by side. Now go to gallery and then you can add several other photos as well. After doing that, you'll see an option of add music. Adding music is same for one photo or multiple photos post. Simply select the music that you want, tap on the tick button and share it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.